Good morning, guys. It's that time to get this party started. We got like 6 hours left and it's pretty much all highway today, so it's going to be a boring ass ride down 75. Although we've considered taking a couple of off roads, we'll see. Anyway, we should be home mid-afternoon. We're hoping to eat lunch with Baby Badger. We'll see if that happens or not. She's busy, so we'll figure it out. But anywho, that's it. Tallahassee, Florida. What I gotta tell you, it's freaking humid. And these storms, the storms have been crazy across the Midwest, and then I guess it's supposed to get pretty crazy like here tomorrow morning. Feels like it's chasing us across the country. But I'm ready for home. Here we go. All right, we're all gassed up, headed south. Home sweet home tonight. Harley, Honey, Desi, Dirty Bastard. There's also line dance tonight. We don't have any food in the house, so we're gonna have to go out to eat anyway. So Mama gets to get her line dance on tonight. What a great day. All right, we peeled off the highway, or at least 75. We're gonna take 19 to St. Pete to see Baby Badger. 230 miles away. All right, gas stop number 2. I think this was more of a pee break than a gas stop. About 130 miles in. We're gonna fill up. Next stop, lunch with Baby Badger.
I got hit by a frog.
She got hit by a frog.
It was big.
Kermit.
I'm gonna have a big old bruise.
Oh, I know what I need. Sunscreen. We're almost home, an hour away. We're in downtown St. Pete. We just ate at Engine number 9, Prime Burgers. Burger was awesome. Have you guys ever heard of the OCC Roadhouse? Guess who got a job there? So when you go to the Roadhouse, ask for Baby Badger. She'll take good care of you. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Training this week?
Yes.
Training this week. Don't go this week. Go next week. Go next week. Tell her hi. Bring all your friends. Right? Are you ready? Are you ready for them all to come?
Yes.
All right. Go say hi to her. That's a wrap. Final stop. Homeward bound. Here we go. Hour and 20 minutes. Been a while since you've seen this view. We are home. We haven't been in the house yet. I can't go in and say, honey, I'm home, because honey's at Nerdy Badger's house. So we got to go get our stuff unloaded and go get in the truck and go get our babies.
Look at the
our fur babies.
yellow flowers.
Look at how pretty our yellow flowers are. Just what you wanted to see, huh? All right, the end, guys. We're home for at least a week. Then out again. All right, let's unload these things and go get our dogs and cats. Well, we're almost officially home. Look who we got. Say hi, hunters. Say hi to everybody. You gotta stay down though. There's the Harley.
Hi.
We're almost home. We're almost home.
Slobber.
You slobber around, Mom. Ha ha. Say ha ha. Almost home. Well, we're not quite done riding for the day. We're headed to Twisted Fork for dinner and line dancing. Ready to go? Not talking to you. Talking to them. Away. Let's go. Alright, Angie has our mileage total for the week, I guess. Or the 3 weeks.
Well, mine's not quite right, is it? But mine says 3,088 miles. I put 112,673 on my bike. Yeah.
Time to eat. Alright, y'all. That is a wrap. I'm calling it a day. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for taking a trip with us. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Haha! I tricked you. If you're still around, that wasn't the end. Look at me. I'm pretty sunburnt. Anyway, I just got back. And I spent weeks riding motorcycles, and today all day, and I get on my motorcycle and I ride to Twisted Fork, and I'm on the way home just enjoying the crap out of the motorcycle ride. There must be something wrong with me. I just love riding motorcycles. How about you? Anyway, you guys saw the announcement earlier today. Baby Badger's going to work at OCC at the restaurant, so be sure to swing by there and say hi to her and eat some food. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'm calling it a night. Maybe I'll get in some video games. That would be cool. See ya.